I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites and opening the class menu immediately. Go to Units, pick the character, then choose Class Change. You need to verify level and any class mastery requirements so the option appears. If the class requires a specific skill or seal, make sure it's in your inventory or the unit has the skill unlocked. Once done, you'll see available classes listed. Focus on the ones your unit meets, so you don't waste time trying unavailable options. You now pick the target class and inspect its stat changes and growth adjustments. Use the preview to compare current versus new class stats and decide if skills should be inherited or retained. If the game requires a class seal or SB cost, allocate those resources now. Make sure to check weapon proficiencies and movement changes so you can plan equipment and positioning. After reviewing, confirm the change. The system will apply new bonuses and update skills according to inheritance rules. You finish by equipping weapons and assigning skills suitable for the new class. This keeps the unit battle ready. Make sure to adjust equipment and formations to match movement and range changes, and review the skill list to transfer or relearn abilities. If the change fails, check the common issues: missing class seal, insufficient mastery, or level requirement not met. If you still can't change, return to the unit screen, confirm prerequisites, then retry. This usually resolves permission or resource problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.